This is seriously the first time I've turned on this camera in the last month. As you guys may have noticed, I have not uploaded content for the last month. Where have I been? Guys, don't you ever feel like life is just like a roller coaster where sometimes you feel like, boy, I have all my shit all the way together. I'm killing it. I'm balancing work, balancing family, balancing life, balancing time management, energy levels, exercise, everything. And you're killing it and you've got your life all the way together. And then the roller coaster that is life will then suddenly give you a reality check just when you think, yes, I'm killing it. Then something will happen and it will just completely throw off the balance. And then suddenly you realize, I am not as all the way together as I thought I was. I don't have everything well balanced. And then suddenly the time management goes off. You're putting too much time into one thing. You don't have enough time for another. Energy levels are going down. And you're like, everything's out of whack. And that's what happened to me at the end of September. And here we are basically at the end of October. I have not managed to upload any content. And actually, from a content creation point of view, that was actually a really stupid decision because September, October traditionally is a peak time to make content. Content creators are pumping it out, particularly because of the change in season for North America going into fall, transitioning into fall. That fall content, that Halloween content is getting pumped up. Views are peaking. And then what did I decide to do? Disappear. So from a strategic growing your channel point of view, that was actually a really backwards decision I decided to make to rest my channel at this time. And why did I do that? Why did I disappear for a month? Well, to be honest, I was working more and I was thinking, oh my gosh, I have less energy, more work, coming home, less energy to do things for me. And so in that smaller time pie that I had, I decided, you know what, I'm just going to put as a top priority my mental health and my self-care. So I put more active time into resting and less time into YouTube because I just did not have everything all the way together. Time management was all out. And you know what? What's been really sort of affecting my motivation and energy levels, this is going to be unrelated to luxury content, but I have not yet naturally conceived, and I did not realize what sort of effect that was going to have on my mental health. That can really get you down. And so when I was feeling less energetic and less motivated, I was not able to bring myself in my spare time to create content that I was happy with. So I just said, you know what? Just give yourself a rest. You are working more. Just rest. Don't worry about making content if it's not the type of content you want to put out at the moment. And where I sort of left my channel off at the end of July was I had just done my birthday hauls. And I had scored what I thought was really good scores. This vintage Bali Kelly style bag, which I'm loving. This other vintage Bali Kelly style bag, which I'm also loving. And this granny style, non-Kelly style bag, also from Bali, which I'm also loving. If you want to see my whole Bali collection, I'll post it here. But that's sort of where I left off the channel with my hauls for my birthday. And also I got myself a pair of Louis Vuitton Lombok loafers, which I'll leave the unboxing here. And then from July into August, I decided I was going to have low buy and even no buy months. And so in August, I did a no buy. And in September, I did a low buy year. I only bought one dress. And in October, I've also done a low buy, which I've bought one dress as well. And so to help myself through no buys and low buys and to help my mindset, I actually unsubscribed from a lot of haul channels and shopping channels, and I started binging on conscious consumerism or low buy, no buy channels and started consuming that content. And I actually myself wasn't really watching luxury content. And as a flow-on effect from that, I wasn't able to come up with a lot of great ideas for luxury content either. I have some video ideas that I want to work on now that I think is more true to my style, like that really geeky vintage Louis Vuitton sort of content. I did make some community posts here and there just to keep engaged with everyone and let you guys know I'm still around. But that's basically where I've been. Life kicked my butt, didn't have much energy, couldn't come up with good ideas, and I decided just to prioritize my rest. But I've got some ideas now that I want to be working on, and I'll be coming back shortly. And this is my father-in-law's dog, Kara, who I have featured her in a video before, but she's been sitting on my lap this whole time for this video. So for any of you dog lovers, this is Kara. Okay guys, so that's basically where I've been. That's where I'm at. Now, even though I am doing these no buy and low buys at the moment, I am also currently saving for a Christmas present to myself. And so what I have in mind is I would like either more Barley Kelly style bags. Like I would love like a chocolate brown one or maybe like a mock croc one. And I'm not even sure what size. Like, do I want these smaller sort of like 22 sizes, or do I want to explore bigger sizes like maybe 25 or 28 or 30? I'm not too sure yet. Or maybe something really special from vintage Louis Vuitton, like a vintage Louis Vuitton special order. Like I'm thinking maybe like a crossbody special order Damier pen. I don't know, maybe I'll finally get that Barvin PM special order I've always wanted. But I want something special. So we'll see what happens around Christmas time if I end up picking anything up. And hopefully there's some eBay vouchers as well to keep the cost down. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.